REDHUS is a research project funded by the Research Council of Norway, DNV, as project managers. We are investigating the potential of using drones for remote visual inspection of ship hull. Today, the ship hull is inspected by human surveyors who go down into cargo tanks and ballast tanks. We are working with ship owners, Altera, who are contributing with input and owner requirements. They are also facilitating the visit here today on board the Beothuk Spirit. We are working with Scout Drone Inspection, who are developing drones for flying in GPS-denied environments. And their focus in the project is to do inspections in cargo tanks.
Scout DI develops tailored drone systems for confined spaces. So inside the tank, we use our drone with a 3D LiDAR, and we use this to create a global map of the environment. This is the first step to enable autonomy on the drone, and the end goal in this project is to do a complete autonomous inspection of a tank. All the data captured by the drone is uploaded to the Scout DI portal. From there, it is easily accessible for the surveyors to review.
Drone usage for me as a class surveyor, it means that we can have access to structure where we cannot do close-ups easily, or which will require the erecting of staging or rafting, and believe that the usage of drones, it will simplify the process and it will make it much more easier to access these structures.
We have a great working experience with DNV, and we have been working together for many, many years now. They are the class society for many of our assets that we have. For me, one big one is the increased safety. Not having to send people up on rope access or up in scaffolding, staging, can mean that we're not exposing somebody to the same risks as if you were sending them up to those locations as well. So providing that we can maintain the same quality of inspections, then I think this is a really good tool that can be used to supplement the existing inspections that we do.
DNV's project goal for REDHUS is to investigate where we are today with drone technology for remote inspections. At the final demonstration of the project, we will run a drone survey in parallel with a human survey to document the equivalence of the two approaches.